Still soaking and peeling beans just to make moi moi? Let me show you an easier way using bean flour. Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make soft, delicious moi moi using bean flour. It's quick, convenient, and turns out just as tasty. Alright, so let's just get started. For this recipe, you'll need bean flour. You're gonna need warm water, red bell peppers, Scotch bonnet peppers, onions, vegetable oil, seasoning cubes, salt to taste, ground crayfish, and the fillings. So you can use boiled eggs, fish, or you can also leave it plain. It's just as tasty. And then you're going to use ramekin or foil plate. So we're going to start by boiling our egg and cooking our fish, but that's if you're using it as a filling. If you're not going to be using any of these fillings, you can just skip this part and go straight to the next one. When the eggs are cooked, you're going to take it out, cool it down with a little bit of cold water, and then peel it. And also when you're done with your fish, you're going to set that aside as well. Now in a clean bowl, add your bean flour. Then you gradually pour in warm water while stirring until you get a smooth, thick batter, making sure there is no lumps. The consistency should be similar to pancake batter, but not too runny, okay? It should look exactly like this. We don't want it too runny. Next, you're going to blend the rolled bell peppers, tatashi, Scotch bonnet peppers, and onions until very smooth. Make sure they're smooth, and then you're going to take it down. Now we're going to add the blended mixture to the bean flour batter, and then we're gonna go ahead and mix it very well until they are well incorporated, okay? Then you're gonna add salt, seasoning cubes, ground crayfish if you're using it, but I suggest to use it. You're also going to go in with other spices you use. I like using nutmeg, so I added a little bit in. And then you're gonna pour in the oil. Mix everything very well until the batter looks smooth and slightly fluffy, okay? This is the perfect texture. Next, we're going to prepare our foil plate. So I love going with a little oil, okay? The reason why I do that is that so it doesn't stick. I don't like when the moi moi sticks to the foil plate, so I try to put a little bit of oil, and then I'll go right ahead and scoop in my moi moi batter. Now you're going to go in and scoop in your moi moi batter into the foil plate. So if you don't foil plates, you can use ramekins or you can use moi moi containers. You can use any of the moi moi stuff that you have for this recipe. It doesn't mean you always have to use what I use, okay? So you're just going to scoop your moi moi batter in, and then you're going to add your fillings, okay? You're going to add the boiled eggs that you peeled, and you can also add your fish. But if you want to keep this plain, you can still do that, okay? You don't have to put all these fillings in there, or you can just put one and leave the other out. All right, just do it for your own taste. So when you're done putting your fillings in, you're going to cover the foil plates and prepare to cook it. This recipe is so simple, right? If you love moi moi but don't enjoy soaking, peeling, and blending beans every time, this is the perfect recipe for you. Trust me, it's so straightforward and so very easy. I know a lot of people that avoid making moi moi just because of the whole process of soaking and peeling and blending. So this is very perfect. So for the cooking, I'm going to place a little bit of foil on the bottom of the pan, and then I'm going to go in with water, enough water to cover. Then I'm going to boil this water until it's hot before I place the moi moi inside it. So this is it, it's boiled. Now we're just going to go in and place our moi moi foils in there, or your ramekin or your moi moi container, whatever you're using. You're going to place that in, and then you're also going to cover this with another foil. Okay, cover with foil, and then you're going to steam this on medium heat for about 45 to 1 hour, but you should be checking it occasionally and add more water if it's needed inside the pot, not inside the moi moi. Okay. Inside the pot, if you need more water, just go in and add. So here I'm going to do a check. You know your moi moi is ready when a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Alright, it should be firm but still soft. Okay, alright guys, there you have it. Soft, delicious moi moi made easily with bean flour. No soaking, no peeling, no stress. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy Nigerian recipes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed making it and eating it. And I hope you enjoy it when you make it as well, so that you see how very simple it is to make moi moi with bean flour. Bye.